Look what's in there. Number oil. When the dealership prices is too high, you gotta go to the college of YouTube and figure out how to do it yourself. Let's go. All right, now we gotta get to the juicy part. So I was losing a lot of oil. You had to take out the old gaskets, put in a new, oil leaking everywhere. Ready to go back in. Okay, I had a real bad oil leak. This whole process just taking your top valve cover gasket off. You got 13 screws in. You got 1, 2, you got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 screws to take it off. While I'm in it, you might as well change the spark plugs. They're the old spark plugs. Once you put this back on there, this sits on top. That's how it's gonna look when I put it back all together. Right now, I'm just checking the parts, make sure everything's cleaned out. Oil is cleaned out, no residue of anything. Got the caulk and everything that I gotta do to lock it on down in there. But I saved the dealership price by going on the college YouTube, figuring out how to do it. Now it's time to put it back together. Okay, the head gasket is back on. And like I said, when you're putting these bolts back on, there is a sequence. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and putting the bolts back on there. That way, you know, it's evenly distributed, like about a 7 pounds of torque on there, and you're all good to go. Now it's a matter of putting spark plugs back together, and we're good to go. We're gonna start it up. Stay tuned. Exclusive from DJ Cody. Now it's time to start it up and see what we got here. We in there, baby. Kuda Design is out.